Well, hi there. Today I'm going to make baked potatoes in my Cuisinart pressure cooker. And I wanted to remind you that you could make this as a good side dish and maybe for Thanksgiving or any day. And I made it a few years ago, 4 or 5 years ago. And just by coincidence, I used the Cuisinart pressure cooker then too. You know, I have 14 pressure cookers, but I just picked this today because I haven't used it in a while. And I went back to see how I made these before. And it was the Cuisinart. Okay, anyway, come on up, I'll show you. It's so easy. I have 1.5 cups of water. I have a trivet in here, whatever you want to call that, a rack. You don't need these holders on there, the handles, but they help. So I'm using them. I have 5 pretty good sized potatoes. I'm going to wash these off in cold water in the sink. These are Idaho baking potatoes. I never thought they'd end up in a pressure cooker. I was just hungry for them. And I remembered I made them, and I want to make them again. That's all. And I'm going to put sour cream at the end. Oh, you know what I want to do? I want to butter these potatoes up. Last time I put like a stick of butter in with the water. But this time I want to butter these like this. See? I should take these out quick. It's going to be a buttery mess. Now these won't be soaking in the water, so this butter is going to infuse into the skin. And if we drop any butter in the water, that's okay. Don't mind. Butter them up with a spurtle. Boy, these are going to be good.
Just call me Butterfingers.
Look in there. They're going to be good. I'm going to go 15 minutes on high pressure. You fit? Everybody fits. Alright, that's all going to melt down. I'm going to wash my hands quick. Oh, too much butter. Butterfingers, for sure. I should have licked my fingers. Shouldn't I have? You want to lick? That's it, I'm done. I'm going to put a little garlic powder on there. Stick to the butter. Oh, now look at them. Look at them happy taters. Oh boy, butter and garlic under pressure. Make sure you're in pressure mode or sealing mode, which I am. You can use any brand pressure cooker you have. We have 13 or 14, I even lost count. Instant Pot, Go Wise, Cuisinart, Ninja Foodie. So we have a lot of them, you know. Okay, menu. Low, high, this is so simple. 15 minutes. This is the easiest pressure cooker. That's it. Let me press start. And when it builds up enough pressure, it'll start counting down. And we're gonna have some good baked potatoes. Buttery baked potatoes with sour cream. More butter, salt and pepper. All right, be back. Be back. Oh. Oh. All right. I used to be able to snap a towel. What happened? Here. I need a whip. Goodbye. I'll be right back. See, the time is counting away. It smells delicious. I smell garlic and butter. I'm gonna put a little scallion on top then. A little extra seasoning. Fun. If you have chives or something. Boy. That'll be good. You gonna have some? I'll go about halfway up until it starts getting flimsy. Okay. Could cut more, but just a little decoration. I got another one. I got another one. Look at that one. That one looks better. That's more oniony. Scallions. Sometimes when I mow the lawn, I smell scallions. I don't know why. I want to eat the grass. They're wild, right? You know about them, right?
Yep. You're cutting off the tops when you cut the grass.
Oh man. They must be in the onion family, right?
Yes.
Okay. That's all I need to know. Less than a minute remaining, as you can see there. I'm going to let the pressure escape naturally for 5 minutes. Okay. So we're going to be extra soft and fluffy and delicious. That should beep. And when it beeps, it's going to go into a keep warm mode, if I remember correctly. Yeah, that light will light up yellow right there. See that? Okay, thank you. And it'll release some of the pressure naturally, but there'll still be more in there. I'll show you. If I waited for the pressure to escape completely, it would probably take another 10 or 15 minutes. I don't want to wait that long. So I'm giving it 5 minutes. All right, that's been 5 minutes. Releasing naturally. I'm sure half of the pressure is probably still in there. Yeah, a little bit. See? Boy, it smells so good. Now I smell those scallions too. With the butter and the garlic in the air. Mmm. I get a plate because I've got to taste them. Ooh. See? They're dry. And there's garlic on top of them. Ooh. See that? You get 2 or 3 out on a plate here. Let's see. Big tweezers or spoon? Mmm. They smell so good. Don't they? I'd like to just squeeze them, pinch them with my fingers and make them fluff open, but they're going to be hot. You know, I don't want to do that. What should I do? Cut them with a knife?
Take a slice with a knife and then you'll be able to pinch them open.
Oh, like that?
Mm-hmm.
Look how tender.
Yeah.
Just be a man. Ah, not the kind of man. Oh,
Wow, look how nice.
that's a sample, all right? Sour cream. Oh. Sour cream and my freaking scallions. Oh. I was going to forget the salt and pepper. Oh boy, you want that with your meal, with your meatloaf or your pork chops or your chicken or your deep fried turkey. Oh no. Is there a potato in there? I eat skin too. Oh, I'm doing, I'm too nervous. Give some of that. Sour cream cooled that hot bite down. melting. I hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed that, and we're going to enjoy eating it right now. It's so good and so easy, right? 15 minutes. Where's my fork? The scallions really make it. No, what are they?
Mm-hmm.
They're not scallions.
Yeah, you're saying.
Oh, they're scallions.
Yep.
I was thinking about chives.
Yeah, but they smell nice, the scallions.
Yeah, you're going to have a couple of these right now?
Oh yeah, the garlic and the scallions. Oh.
Okay, enjoy. Try that in your pressure cooker. Whatever brand you have. Talk to you soon. Hey man. Bye. Oh, it's so good. More butter, please.